Hey, welcome to episode 91 of Credit 101. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get up to a 20% discount on your mortgage. Now, to be honest, I don't want to waste anybody's time. This is for people that are behind on their mortgage or they're about to be behind soon. So if you guys are not behind now or you're not about to be behind soon, this honestly is not for you. This is for the people that want to be behind. The next episodes, that's what we're talking about. In the previous episodes, the recent ones, this is all we've been talking about. People that's behind or you about to be behind, okay? Now, with this, it's called the Flex Modification Program. Now, with the Flex Modification Program, you can get up to 20% discount. Now, you have to make sure that you have Freddie Mac or Fannie Mac, you have got along with them. If you guys got that type of government-backed loan, then this can be for you. This is not for others, okay? This is just a special program, and I do not know too much about it. I literally just found out about this, thought I should make a video. I want you guys to call your loan servicer and say, hey, I am behind on my payments, or I'm about to be behind. What is this program about? And then if they have information, follow up with that, okay? I just found out about it, honestly, and I just wanted to put it out there because sometimes I watch videos and it's like but once you put something in my ear, I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and run with that. So please find out more about this. And listen, it's for your principal residence, second home, investment properties, or say if you have a vacant property, this can be for you. Okay, so look more into it. If you guys have any further questions or you want me to look more into it for you, or if you want to talk about it, then definitely call me, 833 Rickita, and I'll be happy to go over this with you and I can dig deeper with you. We can possibly call your loan servicer and we can go additional routes to try to figure out what you have to do. Okay, but I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you find any information, please let us know. Alrighty, bye-bye.